What if I told you AI isn't here to take over the world, but to completely revolutionize it? Sounds crazy, right? But let's rewind for a second. Back in the 1830s, we discovered electricity, but it wasn't until the 1930s that we filled our homes with appliances running on it. That's a 100-year transition, and we're on the brink of something just as huge. Right now, we're in the early stages of AI. The infrastructure's there, but we haven't started creating the thousands of businesses that will truly run on AI. Think about it. A power station has been invented, but we haven't even built the toasters yet. Those are the opportunities ahead, the devices, the tools, the industries that will be plugged into AI. In the next 10 to 15 years, AI will reshape every single industry, from healthcare to manufacturing to entertainment. It's not a question of if, it's how AI will change everything. So the real question is, are you going to be part of the revolution? Because the opportunities to create, build, and innovate are limitless. What if I told you